Hey y'all, what's up? It's Jessica. Welcome back. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I've been a little MIA. I apologize in advance. It's just been that time of year for me where I have just been busy with life and relaxing. But if you follow me on Instagram, then you have seen these locks. And a bunch of you guys were like, girl, is there a video? I told you guys that I would do a tutorial. I actually filmed the installation a few weeks back. Got busy, went on vacation, didn't have time to film it, but I'm actually glad I waited because for me, I like to live in a style for a little bit so that it can really take on its own form. It starts to just kind of mesh with me and then we become one. It looks very natural, like it's growing out of my scalp. And when I tell you, these have to be some of the most realistic locks I have ever seen. And I'm no stranger to crochet braids. These are crochet, yes. And there are a lot of faux lock crochet braids out there. I've tried several in the past on myself. But these, sis, these take the cake, okay? These are by Freetress. This is their gypsy lock. Actually, I seen a girl on Instagram rocking this very brand. She had a different color and they looked gorgeous. If I could find her picture, I'll put it in here because she inspired me to get these. But I had to be on a hunt for them because when I went to the site, the color I wanted, which was the color that she had, was sold out. And I was like, oh my God, right when I find these locks, right when I discover these locks, the color that I want is gone. So I opted for this color and I'm not mad at this color. Do y'all see that ombre? Oh, yes. Okay, so I'm trying to get in the frame so you guys can see this color combination. So it's very natural looking. It's like a super dark root and like these brown tips at the ends, which I think look so gorgeous. So yeah, it's not the color that I initially wanted because what I initially wanted, it went from like a brown to this 30 color and then it faded to a 27, which is like a honey blonde. And that is the color that I'm still on the hunt for, but like literally they're sold out everywhere. I cannot find it. They don't even sell it at my beauty supply store. So nonetheless, I'm not mad at this color. I think this actually looks even more natural because of the really dark, you know, transition and then, or the dark roots, and then you transition into this brown color. So I'm not mad at this. And a lot of you guys have been saying that you love this look on me. You guys have been asking me for the tea on the hair, and even in public, people are just like, oh my God, I love your locks. And I'm like, they're crochet, girl, but okay. All right, y'all, so this is the hair that I used. Isn't it gorgeous? Look at all this natural lock looking goodness we have here. It's so pretty. Another thing I like about this brand is that these crochet locks come pre-looped. If you've ever crocheted faux locks into your hair, then you understand that a stiff base makes for a more difficult installation. However, with this being pre-looped, it makes it so much more easier for you to tie a knot and do all that good stuff. It simplifies the process, which gives you more faster results, like a faster installation. So I thank you guys for doing that pre-looped option because it really does save a lot of time. Each pack comes with 36 pieces, which I think is a lot for a pack. Sometimes packs come with 12 or 14, but these come with 40 or 42. These come with 36 pieces, which I think is a lot. I bought 3 packs and I used one, or actually I used almost 2. Because I still have this much left of the second pack. So literally I used almost 2 for my full head. And I want to say that each pack was like $7.99. So I got this look for $15. Okay. You cannot beat that. You really cannot beat the price point and the look that you're getting for $15. I didn't have to go to the salon. I didn't have to do none of that, okay? These are the type of faux locks that makes you wish you had actual locks. They really are convincing. They look super natural. They feel very lightweight. Like, this is so light. I don't feel like I have any weight in my head. Another thing that I love about these locks is, like I said, they look natural. If you've noticed, some faux locks kind of just look like one big curl, and that doesn't really give a realistic look. You can manipulate, like you guys have seen in this tutorial right here, I'll put right here, you can manipulate the ends and give it a more natural boho look. But if you didn't want to do that and it was fresh out of the pack, it'll kind of give you that bouncy jerry curl, not jerry curl, you know, like a very spirally curl, which isn't an actual lock. Locks don't look like that. Locks are locked. They're locked, not curled. And these especially, and I'm going to show you guys how natural they look. You know what I'm saying? Like, these from afar, if you knew nothing about locks, they look very much natural. Now I use the individual crochet method, meaning that I installed it, which you guys will see in the tutorial portion of this video. I installed it individually. I did not do cornrows, going straight back in my hair and then inserting it or interlocking it in the cornrows. I actually braided my hair individually all over and then inserted the faux lock under the braid and did it that way, which for me, I wanted to try that because I never did that method before, and I wanted a little bit more versatility and more, just a more free, more options is what I'm trying to say with these crochet locks. All right guys, so stay tuned for the tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how I install this hair into my hair right now. All right, so I've already done the back of my hair. This is what I have left over to do. Yes, my hair is clean. And I'm doing the individual crochet method because I wanted more versatility and options with my look. This is my first time doing this method. It was a little challenging, but I'm gonna show you guys what I did. So I have individuals all over. I braid 5 inches down and then twist the rest. I'm showing you guys right now that pre-looped base, which makes it super easy for this method. You're gonna take your crochet needle and insert it through the base of your hair, attach that pre-looped hair or the faux lock into the hook, close the latch and slide it under the base of your hair. You're going to take the remaining piece of the lock and loop it so that it's secured to the base of your hair, and you only want to secure it. You don't want to cause any tension on your base, so just be a little bit cautious of that. Once you have your knot secured, you should have 2 pieces left, your hair and the locked hair. Now you're going to take your crochet hook and insert it into the hollow part of the lock. So basically insert it inside of the lock, starting maybe an inch or 2 below the base of the lock. And then I'm going to bring the needle out of the lock and I'm going to attach my hair to the needle and pull it through that hollow end. And I hope I'm explaining this right. But basically you're kind of crocheting your hair into the inside of the lock to camouflage it. And you're going to keep doing this, bringing it about 1/2 inch below where the hair is sticking out of the lock, and keep doing this until your lock has totally been camouflaged or is totally inserted inside of the lock. Now this is especially important for someone like me who has a little bit of color treated ends, because I don't want the color to show through, even though it did show through some of the locks. It wasn't that big of a deal to me, but if it is to you, then just make sure that you really try to camouflage those ends. And you want to keep doing that until you cannot see your hair anymore. And for my parts, I really did not try to do super neat parts. I just did squares. And I'm showing you now that I'm braiding my hair. So I'm braiding my hair about 4 to 5, maybe 3 to 4 inches down, because my hair is not that long. So like 2.5 to 4 inches down. And then I just twist the rest because it was just easier for me to hurry up and get this complete. And again, you want to take your crochet needle through the base of your braid, attach the loop to the hook, close the latch, pull it through the base. Now you're going to create your knot. Now it's time to camouflage your hair inside of the lock. Stick it about an inch below the base of that lock, attach your hair and pull it through. And continue to do this process until your hair is no longer visible. I love this method because you get way more versatility with your looks, the free parting. I can part my hair wherever I want. I'm not limited by cornrows. And once you're complete, you have a head full of individual faux locks that took you less time than it would take to do traditional faux locks. And these are just a few of the styles that I like to wear when I have faux locks in my hair. right, y'all, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I miss y'all so much, man. I really did. I really missed you guys. I missed filming. I missed being here on YouTube. So look out for some more videos. They're coming, I promise. They're coming. Let me know down below how you're feeling this hair. Let me know if you tried this brand, if you want to try this brand. Like I said, what is this? Check the description box for links to this hair if I can find it. I don't know if they've sold out or anything like that, but I'll put the links down below in the description box. I haven't left YouTube, so make sure you subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. I know I be MIA sometimes, but I'm not like gone forever. So subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share with a friend, leave me a comment down below, show your support, engage. Let's do that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.